Hi, Priya. How are you?
Hi, Rahul. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. It's been a long time since we last met. What have you been up to?
I've been busy with work and studying for my exams. What about you?
Same here. Work has been hectic lately, but I'm managing. Which exams are you preparing for?
I'm studying for my MBA entrance exams. They're coming up next month.
That's great. I'm sure you'll do well. Do you need any help with your preparation?
Thanks, Rahul. I think I'm okay, but if I get stuck, I'll definitely reach out to you. By the way, how's your new job going?
It's good. I've learned a lot in the last few months, but it's a bit stressful sometimes.
I can imagine. New jobs are always challenging in the beginning. How do you manage the stress?
I try to balance it by exercising regularly and taking short breaks during the day. What about you? How do you handle the pressure of studying?
I take small breaks too. Sometimes I listen to music or go for a walk. It really helps me stay fresh.
That's a good idea. Have you made any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking of just relaxing at home. What about you?
I might go hiking with a few friends. You should join us if you're free.
That sounds fun, but I think I'll pass this time. I really need to focus on my studies. Maybe next time.
Sure, no problem. Good luck with your exams. Let me know if you need help with anything.
Thanks, Rahul, and enjoy your hike. Let's catch up again soon.
Definitely. Take care, Priya.
You too, Rahul. Bye. Lesson 2.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. It's been a while since we last met. How have things been?
Pretty good. Work has been busy, but I can't complain. What about you?
Same here. Work's keeping me busy, but I've been trying to make time for hobbies.
That's great. What hobbies?
I started learning guitar recently. It's challenging but fun.
That sounds awesome. How's it going so far?
Slowly but surely. I can play a couple of simple songs now. What about you? Picked up anything new?
Yeah, I started painting. It's so relaxing after a long day.
Painting. That's amazing. Do you go to classes or do it at home?
Mostly at home. I watch tutorials online and try to follow them.
That's cool. Do you have any favorite themes or styles?
I like landscapes and abstract art. What about you? Are there any songs you're working on with your guitar?
I've been practicing Wonderwall. It's a classic.
Nice choice. Maybe someday you can play it for me.
Definitely. Maybe next time we meet. By the way, how's your family?
They're doing well, thanks for asking. My sister just started college, so everyone's excited.
That's great news. Which college?
She's at Greenfield University. She's loving it so far.
That's wonderful. I'm glad to hear it. Are you planning to visit her soon?
Maybe during the holidays. She says the campus is beautiful, so I want to see it myself.
You should. College days are the best. I miss those times.
Same here. Life felt so carefree back then.
Definitely. By the way, have you been traveling anywhere recently?
Not really. I've been saving up for a big trip. How about you?
I went hiking last month in the mountains. It was incredible.
That sounds amazing. How long was the hike?
It was a 2-day trip. We camped overnight and the sunrise was breathtaking.
Wow, I'd love to do that someday. Were you with friends?
Yeah, a group of us went. It was so much fun. You should join us next time.
I'd love to. Let me know when you're planning the next trip.
Will do. Anyway, how's work going?
Busy, but manageable. I'm working on a new project, so that's been exciting.
That's great. What's the project about?
It's a marketing campaign for a new product. It's challenging but creative work, so I'm enjoying it.
That sounds like a lot of responsibility, but I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks. What about your job? Any exciting updates?
Not much, just the usual deadlines. But I'm planning to take some time off soon.
That's a good idea. Everyone needs a break sometimes. Do you have any plans?
Not yet. Maybe a short trip somewhere nearby. Do you have any recommendations?
How about a beach trip? A relaxing weekend by the sea could be nice.
That's a great idea. I'll look into it. Thanks.
No problem. Oh, by the way, did you hear about the new Italian restaurant downtown?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
Yes, I went there last week with some friends. The pasta was amazing. You should try it.
I will. What's it called?
Bella Vita. It's a cozy little place, perfect for a casual dinner.
Sounds good. Maybe we can go there together sometime.
Sure, let's plan for it.
By the way, have you been keeping up with any shows or movies lately?
Yes, I just finished watching The Crown. It's so well made.
I've heard great things about it. I'll add it to my list.
You should. What about you? Seen anything interesting?
I watched Oppenheimer recently. It was intense but incredible.
I've been meaning to watch that. Maybe I'll check it out this weekend.
You won't regret it. Anyway, should we grab some coffee now?
Absolutely, let's go. Lesson 3. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, not at all. Please, go ahead.
Thank you, it's such a nice day, isn't it?
It really is. Perfect weather for a walk or just relaxing outdoors.
Absolutely. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I live nearby, so I like to come here in the evenings. What about you?
Same, I just moved to the area, so I'm still exploring.
Welcome to the neighborhood. How are you liking it so far?
Thanks, it's lovely quiet, but still close to everything.
That's one of the reasons I like it too. By the way, I'm Jake.
Nice to meet you, Jake. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. So, what brought you to this area? Work.
Yeah, I got a new job at a marketing firm nearby. It's been a busy few weeks settling in.
That's exciting. How's the new job going?
Pretty good so far. A lot to learn, but the team is really nice. What do you do?
I work as a graphic designer. It's mostly remote, so I come here to get some fresh air.
That sounds like a great balance. I wish I had more time to work outside. Thanks, Jake. It was nice chatting with you.
Likewise, Emma. Hope you enjoy the park and the neighborhood.